I was totally not expecting this. See, because the only 4 5 months, 5 months I think I finished in Suraasa. And I remember the first talk with Nipun. Nipun was my counselor. He started telling me about everything Surasa and all. But still, it is not so easy to believe that, of course, we'll get within 5 months. As he told me clearly that if you are on track with your assignments, with your modules, and the way mentor always took the classes, I seriously believe it's all because of Surasa and the team. Because of that, I got this opportunity. On the platform, there is a job portal, right? So I used to check from there. I used to get notifications. So I used to check from there. And some from within India also, I got some, interviews call, but I didn't accept it that because I was always looking for UAE. And once this was the UAE call, I got it. So I accepted the invitation. And it took almost 10 days. They replied on my invitation. And then the interview process started. And I was totally unaware that it will happen so soon, so immediately. First interview was a very simple, just general round. Second interview was my demo. And
Okay.
third and fourth was interaction with, head of department and then principal. And all the interviews were very strictly, all the teaching, pedagogical skills, chemistry questions, of course, no doubt in that as my subject area. But it was very fantastic because I was too much confident. Even sometimes with my assignments also, I was struggling. I was not able to understand what should I do. I'm getting less marks or something like that. So I got connected directly with Mr. Sudhin. So he
Okay.
was, nicely mentoring and guiding me. The way he responds, of course, not only one time. Whenever I asked, it was I think 3 to 4 times he gave me his time. So it's really important. And the most important, I really love the this are modules by Mr. Rishabh Khanna. Oh my God, that are always in my head. Uh, I can say maybe I'm a visual learner. That's why it is so, because the way he speaks and the way he shows the examples, I always remember it. So I love those videos. I never get to go through that and to prepare for my assessment. So that's really fantastic. These few things like this, always getting response to if I have any doubt. So suddenly you people just prepare the meeting so to get solved. And the second is modules videos which are available on Suras application. I
Do,
prepared thoroughly through this all learning modules and all for interview. Only from this modules and this articles are available on boosting employability especially. And you know what, I'm so lucky, let me tell you, just before my interview, the week before that, I was in the face-to-face session on the boosting employability with Mr. Peter sir and we and some few other candidates also face to face. He was preparing us for those kind of interview sessions. He was playing nice, interactive game-based learning sessions. So those all things were in my mind when I was giving interview. And just next day itself, I got the interview date. I wanted to say I mailed also thank you mail to Suras also because it's really a big thing. Within so less time, I got this big opportunity. And not only this, before this, I got Pune and Mumbai schools offer also from Surasa side. But my aim was UAE. So really, I'm using how to handle child, moral educations, and many things. We know all these things. This is the fact of teachers' life. But to apply it and doing these activities in the classroom on every Sunday, then having assignments. I am really learning a lot. I would say it's a great work I came across through online this platform. I never thought that I'll be so much skilled and so much confident before interview, during the interview, and after also. I'm not nervous that I'm going to join in UAE. What will happen, the schools and all. I'm confident because I know what I have to go and do there. Right? This is the thing.